On behalf of our nursing team, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to the management and all departments for their continuous support and encouragement. Let us use this occasion to appreciate the dedication, sacrifice, and humanity shown by nurses in every situation. I once again welcome you all and thank you for joining us in celebrating this wonderful day. Wishing you everyone a happy and memorable nursing day. So thank you for all.
Thank you, ma'am. Myself before God
And in the presence of this assembly,
and in the presence of this
to
assembly,
pass my life in purity,
in purity.
Isn't a place of healing. It's just a building with expensive equipment and empty hallways. The nurses are the ones who transform the clinical data into human comfort. You are the first eyes to spot the change in the patient's condition, the steady hands during the crisis, and the voice of calm for a frightened family at 3 a.m. You balance the rigorous science of medicine with the profound art of empathy, a feat that no textbook can fully teach. So to our nurses, you are the backbone, the heartbeat, the unsung heroes of every ward. We do.
I'm Dr. XYZ, who will be looking after the labor patient.
I am nurse XYZ.
This is how labor is. This is how the labor is managed. Okay, later we will talk about epidural. Now just lie down, let me examine. You're not cooperating, you have to cooperate. I will wait, you have to cooperate. See, normal delivery cannot happen without cooperation. So no cooperation is required. If you want to go through normal, you have to cooperate. Okay? You will manage, we'll help you. Okay? Now, this is how, put your back down, relax, yes, let me examine. Okay? Now you have to be slightly more brave and you have to go through the labor pain when the situation is there that I can, offer you epidural, I'll do that. Okay? But it will take time, we'll see after 4 hours.
So here the doctor leaves after the rounds are done. So our sisters are here 24/7 with the patient to help them through pain.
So how are you doing?
my breasts are sore. I don't know what to do.
So we'll help you. The team will help you. Don't get worried. So it's only that you have to still persist. So once you persist, things will fall into place. Right? So sister, you have to take care. I have to make sure that you have to
Things happen. Okay, so
Dr. ma'am.
there again don't worry. Sometimes it will happen. Okay, so do not be worried.
But all our tests were also normal. My
I
husband fainted.
understand this is a tough time. You have to take care about all these things. Then only you will be strong. If you are strong,
Looking forward to this. We are going to go home next month.
yes, I understand all those things.
Will I get another?
Definitely, you will get. So this could be abnormal or some other reasons. Maybe the doctor will explain you all these things. Okay, if you will come, the doctor will talk to you. Okay, so don't worry. If anything is there, you call me. I will come. Okay, I will handle it. Now, no. They will sedate you and they will do it. So don't worry. You will not have much pain. Okay.
I'm sorry, the scan is not good. The heartbeat is not there. So unfortunately, some is damaged. We'll have to terminate the
So many times the sister is there even before us to help them out emotionally. So thank you for all your services.
Dr. Sifali ma'am, Dr. Daksha ma'am, Dr. Sreja ma'am, everyone being so nice and presented so well that we can mirror ourselves in the skit. And thank you for your memorable, enjoyable events for everyone. We truly appreciate you all. Thank you for your efforts. Now, a big round of applause for all of them. Now I would like to call Ms. Parishna to give a speech about the history of all the nurses and about Nightingales.
Today, I would like to speak briefly about International Nurses Day. International Nurses Day is celebrated every year on May 12th to honor the dedication, compassion, and hard work of nurses around the world.
गाइस अब चाहिँ लन्च खाने वाली हम हाई हाई अप्सरा सिमाली अल्छी रोस्किटी सोमा से हाई करिश्मा चैत्र देन अनदर हाई 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 सो नाउ वी आर अबाउट टू हैव अवर लंच एंड बाकी का चाहिँ थोड़ी देर बाद खाएंगे ओके हमारे पास बहुत कुछ है शाही पनीर कुछ कुछ है
Okay, fine. Okay, so we will be announcing the names of the candidates who have won. First one is Guess the Song, and the winners are.
Who was the winner? Who was the winner first and second? Rupa and Malika. Okay, who was the second? Okay, first is Rupa's sister and Malika.
Clap.
Second is Christina and Karishma.
Yay! Come.
Both are not here. What to do?
Clap, guys.
But later we'll exchange.
I can go now.
Yes, no, you see.
Super.
Second.
Come on, what's our sister?
And who was there? With you, who was there? You forgot your second. Christina.
And the winners are. You don't remember? Who was the winner?
Soma.
Jeeta sister, please come. The winners are Chetra and Apsara.
No.
Karishma sister, please come to give up the prizes. Come. It was cup stacking, and the winners are Priyanka, Safia. Shortlisted Mehndi competition and poster. I mean, I was one of the judge, so personally, I felt each one of you did the best, but gifts are less. So for Mehndi, the winner is Uzma and team. Chaitra. Competition. Guess who's the winner?
Second. Middle.
Who all are there in the middle one? I mean, team members. Who
Me
all
and
are there?
Parashkiti.
Yeah, then come.
Really?
You guys are the winners. Congratulations to all the winners. Who all were there in the third one?
Apsara, Karishma.
Come. You guys are the winners. Second.
First of all, tell me, are you enjoying? Really by heart? Good. It is for you all only. Instead of arranging celebrating a single day, we have decided to celebrate as a week, so that we have started from last Saturday and completing today. So that there might be someone who can join on the day one, there might be someone who can join on the day two. You are little busy since last couple of months. I know we have
ये बहुत एंड पे अब हमारा केक कटिंग होने वाला है. अभी अभी हमने गिफ्ट पाया है. आपको गिफ्ट मिला ना? आपको गिफ्ट कैसा लगा? बहुत अच्छा लगा ना? Everyone got gifts and they are so happy. And अभी हम केक कट करने वाला है.
4 days के ऊपर ना उसको एक प्राइज मिलेगा. छुट्टी.
Everyone guys say to Happy Nurses Day to us.
Happy
Nurses Day to us. Happy Nurses Day to us. Niकाले. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. 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 Bye, Oman brother.